I just want to bring three things in. I thank, firstly, I thank the Honorable Minister for agreeing for calling for a meeting of our legislators and also the city legislators to see and address to the issues raised and the problem faced by the RTC in GHMC area, sir. Sir, secondly, sir, my request is that previously, in all the bus stops and all the buses, sir, Urdu, it used to be written in Urdu also. Urdu में लिखा हुआ रहता था कि ये बस इधर जा रही उधर जा रही. At least in Muslim-dominated areas, wherever the buses are going, Urdu को रखिए साहब, ये आपसे मेरी दरखास्त है. Sir, thirdly, sir, the most important thing is that, sir, in the year 2015 and 16, 827 accidents involving RTC buses, which has resulted to 402 deaths, sir. Sir, in that, sir, the RTC doesn't make a note of a separate as to how many people died trying to get down from the running buses. Kindly give instructions that this should also be noted down. Because, you know, so what is happening, everybody is counting this as if the RTC buses are killing so many people. But many people are dying because they try to get down from the running buses also. So this is also needed, sir. And lastly, sir, the most important thing which I want to bring to the kind notice is that, sir, there is a requirement of mini buses, sir. Small mini buses. We should buy maximum number of mini buses, and so that the RTC comes into profit. And I'm sure if mini buses are being bought, RTC will come into profit. Honorable Minister Saab had given most of the replies to my question. Few he hasn't given. The most important is that, sir, the RTC buses are causing lot of pollution. I have the details of to how many old buses are running. When the meeting is being conducted, that time I will give it to him, sir. I thank you very much for giving this opportunity. Kindly tell Honorable Minister, sir, ये assembly खत्म होने से पहले ही मीटिंग बुला लिए तो मेहरबानी होगी. नहीं तो मीटिंग बुलाते बोलते साहब वो जमाना हो जाता, वो मीटिंग आती नहीं होता नहीं. यही असेंबली में बुला लो, बोले साहब we'll just sit for half an hour, that's it, sir. Thank you, sir.
ఓవైసీ గారు ఏదైతే ఈ మంత్ ఎండింగ్లో మీటింగ్ పెట్టమని చెప్తున్నారు, ఈ అసెంబ్లీలోనే తప్పకుండా వారందరూ కూడా పిలిచి మీటింగ్ పెడతాము. ఏదైతే ఇంకా మరి మినీ బస్సులు కూడా కావాలని అంటున్నారు, మరి వచ్చే నెలలో కూడా మినీ బస్సులు వస్తున్నాయి కాబట్టి ఎన్నైతే అవసరం ఉందో ఓల్డ్ సిటీలో ఆ బస్సెస్ కూడా తప్పకుండా నడుపుతాం అధ్యక్ష.
अकबर साहब सुन तो लीजिए सर, सुन तो लीजिए सरकार. अरे सुन तो लो भाई. स्पीकर साहब ने खुद कहा आपसे, अकबर साहब, स्पीकर साहब ने आपसे खुद कहा. No, my only request to you is you can always have these follow-up questions in your demands.